I get 4x6. I get. Come inside. Don't say, Mavi. She not 4x6 you want? Yes. 1.2 million. 4x6 for me. It's okay. It's okay. My brother, why do you think cost like that? I'm sure you go use tears before x6 make you know what you do better.
Want to have intercourse with you.
What of 6x6?
A very dangerous girl.
Customer.
Baba, which one you want back? Now get 12x12.
Wait.
What's up, people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So guys, thanks for always sticking around. I really appreciate it. Today is another special day, and I'm presenting to you guys the best of the best. You understand? So make sure you watch this video to the very end, because trust me, not the best, not blast. You understand? So drop nice comments, share my video, and do not forget to subscribe. You get? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Wait, I don't understand. How you tell me this guy I want to marry? You want to have tattoo on his face?
I really love your daughter.
Shut up your mouth! You?
Oh God, that's way talk.
That
Repeat
is
them again.
just tears now.
That is just tears now. If I give you slap, you need tears to come from your eye. No, what is that? I don't understand.
Daddy, what is the matter?
Is it not your sister? Look at the guy she said she want to marry. You want to have tattoo on his eye? Why can't she be like you? Why can't she be like you?
I wonder.
Daddy, I want to quickly get something outside.
Ezibo, come. You said your fiancé is coming today, Abby?
Yes, Daddy.
I can't wait to see him.
I can't wait to see you too. Daddy, let me go.
Okay. Hey, pass like this. Pass like this. Pass here.
You they go now. No, see the other guy. Yes. Now that one go worse. Trust me.
Babe, you need to go. I will call you back and explain.
Baby, let me go and see you.
You need to go now. You know they get what? What's the problem? Please go. I will call you back and explain.
Ole.
Waiting this for Papa to talk for you.
Now what for you, bro? Smoke me for while.
My mind no go touch ground.
This one all in hand.
My mind no go touch ground.
My mind no touch ground. No worry.
Hey! How be like this? You don't join court.
Now why I come?
That OT I give you, I will make you recite them fast.
Now me, Babylon, what must be for the ship to sail to Salama in order to give Obama shawarma. Who goes?
Okay, who goes? Why you talking with low voltage? Who goes? Why you don't allow them? Who goes? You. Hey.
You trying to get lights, no man.
You recite your OT for me fast. Now me, fella, aka criminal scamini. Put come my face show. This is my slap. My friend look. Right. For this better display when you display so you don't become number 3 for this court.
Adaptive.
Or how you walk for road, anybody where you see. First tell the person, Bobby, OBS yourself.
Bobby, OBS yourself.
Just now. Hey, Bobby, finish up the work.
Boy, court is made to get big belly. You dey hear me? I got in this guy.
As I don't get to the OT, I may want to hold and well. Because if you don't hold and well, I will not.
I'm gonna get away from here.
I swear, now God help us join this court. But hey, wait, what do you make you slap me now? Let them make a slap you, I'm not going to slap you. You can't slap me, what do you make you slap me like that?
Boy, wait. I'm number 3 man, chest in the top.
Sorry. No man. Number 3, Salama for you. I forget.
Sabinus, it's Sabinus.
Number 3, wait. You got all those men pass us like that. Ha! You know go ask them who goes.
Waiting the power. OBS yourself.
It's the OBS yourself.
My identity is my identity. As you come, na so you go. They know they cry for me latata. Cause even though I'm latata, no say men day. An injury for one is an injury for all. If you price, you pay. If you don't pay, you go collect.
I cannot show my hear you.
I don't mark on her face.
Come now.
Madam, what's the problem now? Well, no respect.
OBS yourself.
We will OBS ourselves.
Identify yourself. Nah.
Yeah. Brother, the one where we join, the court where we join. No be you go ask us. Now we go ask you OBS yourself. Now you don't do now, so we don't become friends.
Talkless!
I shoot the guns.
Identify yourself.
Okay, be like that way they tell us for that place. Say now OT.
Yes.
Okay.
Who goes?
Correct. Action.
Talk
What they go
now.
tell you? They talk now, bro.
You don't forget.
Bro, don't do this, oh. They we gone, oh.
They don't give us a day show. I don't know what they do.
I said, who goes all of you before this ground go swallow all of us? We're not agreements.
But I mean, I know my own. I don't know what they delay. I know my
Now
own.
me, Babylon, hanging like with Obama, selling with Obama for the ship to say to Salama, buying Obama shawarma.
Who goes? Correct you. Who give you Babylon? Now me be Babylon. What they do you?
It's a batch from this place.
Also.
Now me be Babylon, though.
Talk your own now.
Hey, obvious yourself.
I said, who goes?
Now my own who goes. Now you use go now. I didn't even call them back.
See, make I tell you, if you twat anyhow, I go cut your neck.
I can't make you see.
I'm done already, madam. Respect to.
Oh,
you
talk your own now.
Make you obvious yourself.
Madam, respect to. How's the family?
Now today, your family members go bury you.
Hey! Auntie, talk to brother. Brother, help me talk to auntie.
Obvious yourself.
People wicked, oh. Now my own Babylon ain't go they talk, oh.
I said, who goes?
You don't forget. You don't forget your own OBS.
Dead body go surplus.
Wait, don't know. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Where's your boss?
Okay, no, you know the Nami day this day. Nami day in charge. Nami day bang people here today.
Ah.
Yes, no worry. If they fear, no, ask around. Soso the baba. Now I sabi work. No worry. If to say I no need to do, my oga for no keep me here. Which style you want to go show me? Yeah. Sit down and show me your style. Which style you want cut?
But this girl fine, Sha. This is also fine. Ajay, she really fine. Hairline Royale. You don't take time to tell us the barber shop now.
Good job.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing. Let's watch this video.
What's this?
Now your style. Now when you show me for your phone.
Which style has God have mercy upon us?
Bring your phone now. Now this style when you show me, I do.
What's going on here?
Before people will come here, I could have
See the
killed
style
them.
now.
I'm telling you.
I don't understand.
Look at my face.
See am now. See am. See this thing there. Now what thing I do for you now?
Let's have it. Let's have it. Come on, baby, let's have it. You want to get something for them now. You get them now. Now what you do there you do now.
My God! Yo! How you doing now?
I'm good, my bro.
I'll meet my baby girl, my fiancé, Costa. That is Thaedoboy, my very good friend.
Hi, how you doing?
We're getting married next week, actually.
You can't bread, they enter bed.
Congratulations.
Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. So we go updates now.
Oh, wala, my
Bro. Oh yeah, that's this.
Now your guy be that. Now my correct guy be that too. And they won't marry that girl. Now what thing just tell me now? That girl no lost you. My guy they carry him 247. Who are those motor? You mean now? I dey tell you na better will lose you.
My bro, okay, I can just see you.
Okay. Babe, just stay in the car, I'm coming.
Bro, I beg, no just you, eh? This your people, like how well do you know her?
I know her now, and I'm a big one won't marry. I suppose no, I'm not married. Bro, why are you even asking?
Nothing, everywhere good, nothing, my brother.
Yeah, no.
Yes, baby.
There's something you haven't told me about yourself.
No, baby, I told you everything you need to know about me.
Babe, go carry tattoo.
Why are you asking?
Are
you sure?
It's nothing, I'm serious.
Can you believe Baby was asking me about my past? What for? I don't know. Out of nowhere. Me where this street. Tell him anything. I want to tell him say over 300 people don't enter this place. I'll try him.
Bro, do faster. You want to make for your wedding?
The wedding don't start already.
Okay. Have fun though.
Bless you, come out.
Then at my wedding, I've been telling you now. Don't forget.
I beg you, just before you leave, just watch this video. Yes, this video.
Just be careful of your past.
I bet in these streets. Yes. How did you get this video?
I cannot betraying my friend.
You're not betraying her. You're just getting information from her. That was... See, and besides, see, I will sort you now. I will sort you. Where are you doing this now?
Hey.
15! How?
She be not tell me all these things, though.
Now what I did for you, bro?
I know if you deal with person with this kind of pass. My bro. Thank you.
Now why we they call him goat? Now why he always turn up? You know he go turn up.
But wait, if everybody can't do like this now, no one come marry all those girls.
Man, bro.
Hi, baby. See you later. Love you.
Love you too.
How about they doing skits for the US?
Hey Siri. Call Rose.
Can I call you Rose?
Hi, baby.
Hi babe. Are you ready?
Almost. I'll be ready in 5 minutes.
Okay, no problem. I'll be on my way now.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you. See you soon.
Bye babe.
You're a bad boy.
You're a bad boy.
Now what for you, bro?
To cheat na stress. To cheat na stress.
Can I call you Rose?
Change the name, bro.
Now what? You just dey study. You no go fair relax, make head calm.
Bad
so that you
advice.
fit assimilate. You just come back from this year, study because you get exam. You will dey final year. Don't know everything about school now. You will fair relax. Carry phone. Carry phone. Browse. Free your mind.
Instagram,
sleep small. Wake. Then face the
check
book.
Twitter.
And the Facebook. That's what they take creator. Calm. Make sure you calm first. Use hot head they read. You don't work like that. Eh? Rest they very important. Now make Bible say sleep, slumber. Forget the way they talk am. They lead to success. Sharp. You go rest. You go run now, you run now. Go online. Free head.
Hello? We don't finish first paper.
Don't be life. Not everybody go graduate quick. Some guys no school. You don't understand. That's school grant for school. And the scholar pay for school. For the culture.
For more bad advice. Follow me.
Follow me.
You don't give me bad advice. More man pikin no go love.
Oh my God, baby!
Happy birthday, Kem.
Aww.
I got you this.
Thank you.
And this.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful.
Love is written in the stars, and just like the stars, our love is shining and unbreakable.
Aww.
So will you do me the honors to marry me?
Baby, are you for real?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey! Happy birthday, Kem.
Oh my God.
Women.
Lord Jesus, take over.
Women are scorpions.
Women are scorpions.
You dey threaten me? You dey play the show now, you dey do.
One man begin.
Sweet melody.
Babe, this is a token of my love from me to you. You can be my wife. I promise you there are this and many more.
Kem. Hey. My Kem, remember all that glitters is not good. Okay. Choose wisely. Me or him.
Yes, I'll marry you. Yes, I'll marry you. Living in place.
Remember, no one knows tomorrow.
My friend, go and walk. Tomorrow is Sunday.
Baby, the car is not starting.
Love is a crime.
Nala.
Let her come the suffer because of what is doing that you talk.
This is business. It's business.
You still go push car.
Mama amazing grace. Mama say this bread don't rot, no be today bread.
Your mama say it don't rotten. You wait small like this, you never rotten. Your mama never rotten. I mean, come on from my shop. After I don't put on winch, you come the return now.
Return, I won't return this
bread. Come on from my shop.
I will go call my mama for you now.
Come on for you. Small pikin we don't rotten. Hakuna.
What do you think? Today, not today.
Mamuka.
Man will know who gets strength fast. Tell me now which. Me and my picking down the
Two men.
We go see who down the today.
Two men where they
this shop will bring us down. Mama Amazing Grace, come out. Come and cross this line. You get mine, call me witch. Me and my picking now witch.
Jesus Christ.
And we don't rot it.
Me?
Come out.
What do you say?
Say na by muscle. We make you send me pint in the acha go bread for why? Not to tell my daughter now. When you return bread now.
No be me.
You not talk am.
God forbid. I can never say such a thing.
Mama will lie, you don't come.
You na person why respect now. Why go come say you rich?
So you talk am.
Will lie.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Mama, I know like this woman don't say you don't rot it. You be rich. You don't kill many people for this village.
Which kind of life is this now? Me and you have been friends for over 10 years. You won't do me cheap bridesmaid. I go your wedding, you go, why will I call you a witch?
I wonder.
You be my woman leader. Why will you go make you call you a witch?
Who I won't believe now?
How could
I know like this woman they lie out of my head.
Mama Oka.
You think the lie no go cry?
No be 10 years you go.
Now you the lie.
God have mercy.
Now you the lie. Now you the lie. Anytime when I send you a message where you no one go, you talk say you no one go. You don't go the life out do my head.
Now wow.
Why you talk say why you talk say talk? No make you no first.
I don't fit talk that kind of thing. I know. I bring the bread make I change am. If you just tell me I will change it. I don't want to see her eye. She don't come here. Maybe she don't go somewhere else. Go there to say I tell her to say.
What would they burn now? Who lie like something from Temu? You see the way they start my time, you finished me. So you tell me I be witch, I don't rot.
Jesus Christ. These children are something else. Did they lie?
No verse, I beg.
I can never say such a thing.
I know you.
Never. My sister.
My meter for us.
No problem. I beg not to beat them.
What for me? You don't want. What for me? No verse.
You leave them.
But they lie for do my head.
God have mercy upon us.
They too they lie. Flog her where.
You know go better for bad people.
Your parents cannot afford the divorce.
Balo, good afternoon.
So where with you? Where's your boss?
Is he there inside?
Go and call him for me.
Balo.
Mr. Ibara.
How are you?
Mr. Ibara, I'm just coming from land registry.
Okay.
I discovered that you did not tell me that all the properties that we have been previewing during divorce proceeding belong to your wife.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean? I saw that all the title on the land is your wife's name. You don't even have any property to your name, Mr. Ibara. In case you don't know, with everything that I've seen that you own, there is no way you can afford legal services, let alone a divorce proceeding. Thank you very much. I will take my leave.
But I'm a business consultant.
You are a business. Where do you consult the business, Mr. Ibara?
On YouTube now.
How to grow a snail business.
Exactly.
8 views in 6 years.
They come up. It's coming up small.
You are the snail in the business. Has nobody informed you? Take your nonsense from heart. Instead of you to be telling people that you are consulting for to go and invest in enviable tricycle management, where you will buy tricycle, you don't even need to have driver or anything. They will do everything for you and they will be giving you return on investment every week. Every week you receive money from their hand. Just buy keke from their hand. Enviable tricycle management. Bam.
Serious?
You receive money every week. Register with them. You are telling them to go and do snail business where you are displaying your own business, Mr. Ibara.
The law, wait now. How go take get keke now?
You buy it name, Mr. Ibara.
Me wait, as I not get money call.
I send me your wife's contact now.
The law come now. Me and my wife, we know they talk again now.
Okay, I forgot.
Based on the divorce level.
I forgot. Don't mind me. When you are ready, you will swallow that your pride with Ogbonna, and you will go and you go and apologize to your wife. You say they used to divorce poor man. Someone like you, they run away from you. You are talking about divorce. Nonsense.
Matras, phone. Come buy phone from my hand now.
How I did enter this member Allah?
Hold up.
Nah, you go see the real me.
Alpha, cinema, you want buy mattress?
Yes.
Oh yeah, now come inside, get down now.
I won't go meet my customer for this.
You dey want?
Azana.
Active like Chivita.
It's unfair. This is unfair now. This is unfair.
You don't own, yes, no sir.
My son, when I get 4x6, I get. Come inside. Just say, Mavi. She not 4x6 you want?
Yes.
1.2 million.
4x6 for me. It's okay. It's okay. My brother, why do you think cost like that?
I'm sure you go use tears before 4x6 make you know what you do better.
Have intercourse.
Yeah. What of 6x6?
A very dangerous girl.
Customer.
Baba, which one you want back?
Now get 12x12.
Now you're testing tools with that.
Okay.
Oh, yellow.
For what?
That 12x12 now special package. So now 4 men and they work on you.
The blood of
Oh, yellow.
Jesus.
What be this? What be Johnny's tools?
You don't show us they working on.
Quick one. See, I will need like 7 girls who will follow me go market tomorrow morning.
7 girls? Customer. What do they do with this one?
You a smart
No see full option like me carry go house today.
I don't see one. It remains 6.
You don't show us. What did they
Get
call
out of my
that?
house! You are leaving my house! Get out! All you want to do in this house is to eat my food! Get out! Go! Go and make yourself useful! Go and also like me! Like real men, Solo! Solo, go! Leave my house! Your elder brother left this house when he was your age! Papa! Do not compare me with my elder brother! Never you compare with my elder brother! You said he left this house when he was my age! Who was the president of the country after when he left your house? Good luck, Jonathan was the president! Oh! Now it's not my turn to leave the house! Who is the current president of this country? Chinedu is the president! Papa, when your son left this house, life then was not as difficult as the way it is now. If you cannot stay in this house with me, you will leave this house because I'm in my father's house. Go to your father's house. I should leave my house. Yes, go to your father's house. No, who is that?
Papa.
Solo, how far now? Brother, Ike is here. What are you doing here? I just returned back to my father's house now. Yes. You better get that and go back to wherever you are coming from. Papa, no place like home. Tell him, oh, tell him.
Sydiwundu tell him we don't bring it to come back. Can you imagine?
Auntie, good evening. I don't look, I just come Lagos. I just look for where they sell roasted yam.
Oh, don't come to right shop.
I come from Nduka. Give me how much they sell?
1,500. 1,000.
And give me for the 2 1,000.
Chai! Yeah, I go put her.
We go put her for nylon. I go chop for her. I don't want to chop it.
Nylon. We get nylon of 300. We get nylon of 200 naira. How much nylon?
No, I don't mean sock away. Get away.
Chai!
Take away. Waterproof. I mean.
Papo! You know say we dey sell nylon for Lagos.
Can you
buy
imagine?
this yam now? You go buy nylon separate.
What's going on here?
And I no go buy. I no fit buy. Where they buy nylon? I no fit buy nylon.
They buy nylon on my Lagos.
Oh yeah. Give me am like that.
Which hand I go put am?
I'm here.
And you want to sell it? 1,000 naira.
They buy nylon for Lagos.
Wait your boy, where open your hand. Wait, make I put something for you.
When they buy nylon for Lagos.
APC, this one are good. They do it good. Which kind of government to be this? We no go front, we no go back. Come on here now, there's a road.
Jesus. Beg you, blind say you go come up my shop.
What is my oil throw away now?
You go lick her for ground now.
Can you imagine?
Hey. Mommy, bring everything with you. Nah.
I know anything, my pikin.
I go come out. Bring everything with you.
I know anything, my pikin.
You dey try me?
I know anything. Okay. I dey come. Wait, eh?
Hey! Auntie. Na joke I do.
God have mercy upon us.
What?
No
worry. No worry.
You know one thing again? You know they steal again. You know.
Kekenyanya tuotonyanya. Matabutu patabutu. Oh, turuboko turumbere. Kataboy boy. Young man, you look troubled. What is it?
Great one, I don't look troubled. I'm troubled. Great one, they say that you be the best black witch for the whole world. You know, get you where you don't do way fail. The records are there. Now we think carry me come. Great one, for the past 3 years, I don't play this bet of 18. Person who introduced me to Randon die. The day I go play go, they go play 4-0. The day I go play over 2, they go play 1-1. The one wey pay me pass, the day I play, make player wear boot enter pitch. He carry slipper center field, come wear boot inside pitch. Which kind of life be this? That one help me. Now my last resort be this, help me, I beg. See, I beg.
Let me have it. Jesus! 100 naira! To win 468 million!
Now even 500 million, then void 2 games.
Jesus! My God!
The game was structurally calculated. It was permutated categorically. It was eccentrically forecasted. Sure bet.
Stand up.
Okay, great one. Thank you, sir.
Hey, come sit down. Now you be the real black witch. Come sit down. Sit down because you be wicked man. If you not be wicked man, then I go play 100 naira to win 468 million. If now Papa come to the win that money, you go like him. You go like him. Okay, sit down. Now you be witch. I bet sit down. Give me a glass. Do the work. What kind of wickedness be this?
That's one.
No wonder you never win game all these years.
That's what I live in me.
It's yours.
My God. Voila.
Babe, you're not drinking the Fanta Noko.
Babe, what is this? The last time I said take me out, you took me to the zoo. I said take me, I'm going to dance and shake my body. Where is Lively? You brought me here.
You know, tell me say one dance now. That's not a problem now, babe. Where did they play song and better dance?
Yes.
I will take you now. Just drink up. Let's go. Drink up.
Nigeria, they see you. Nigeria, they see you.
George. Together, George. What's going on here?
Hi, Sensei. Here I get vibe.
Wait, I said take me to where I'm going to dance and shake my body. You brought me to your church. Do you know what? I'm done with this relationship. I can't do this. Rubbish.
Osha. Remember, I won't go.
Don't angry me.
What's this now? What's this?
I am great.
You can't see me.
Remember, I won't go. Can you imagine?
Tell me if you did like I really did for you.
Hello?
Where are you?
Baby, I told you I'm hanging out with Daddy today now.
So what time are you coming back?
I'm not sure. When we're done, he will drop me off at home.
Alright then. Take care.
Bye, baby.
Is that your husband?
Yeah, so he said I should greet you.
Later that night.
You see, that's why I talk about you. What you say, you will do.
Babe, why are you talking to by this time?
My daddy now.
By this time?
Hey, we're just running through our day and talking about it.
Good night.
If we break up, yeah, you know that it's a loss.
Hi, babe.
Babe. Where are you going to this early morning?
Oh, Daddy's taking me shopping.
This early morning?
Your daddy again.
No, he wants to spend time with his daughter.
Okay, no problem.
Who is that guy when they talk anyhow, when they do anyhow, when they see anyhow? Say, are you papa?
Is that what we have? Our raw bouncy, wine color. It's just 2.5 million. Daddy.
Give her as much as you want.
My humble father, Sinachi. My loving daughter, Sinachi.
Hey, babe.
Babe, why are you coming back by this time? When you told me on phone, you'll be back in an hour time.
Oh, babe, my dad now. He said I should stay behind and make food for him before leaving.
Your daddy again?
This is not what a man do.
I beg, let the family look for another person that will make them proud.
Yes. Can I go back?
Chief, I've already told you I can't accept 80 million naira. What can I do last is 120 million.
Allah of Lagos.
I will not give it a buy. Asa. Good morning, how Oh. My precious babe. What do you have today?
I have your favorites today, darling. So we have jollof rice, fried rice.
We have chicken, turkey, and your favorite fruit.
Thank you, baby. You will love it.
You will love that.
Right, I'm coming.
Okay, baby. Very nice. Yeah, baby. I love it.
Babe?
Asa.
I need to ask you this. You know, we've been married for 6 months now.
6 months.
And I still don't know what you do for a living.
What do you mean? You don't need to know, baby. Am I not taking good care of you?
Babe, what do you mean I don't need to know? You're my husband. I need to know.
Woman. Okay, I will satisfy you. Come. Do you have Telegram?
I have it on my phone.
Okay, so there is this channel called KGSB. What they do is they give daily sure bet prediction. That is where I get the prediction. I use it placing my bet and I dey cash out on steady. Babe, don't tell the neighbor. This is a big and heavy secret I'm giving you. Guess what? It is free to subscribe to their channel. And guess what again? They have over 1.1 million subscribers. You will love it, babe. Oh my God. Are you happy now? Yes. I love you. Hello? I'm on my way to the meeting now. 20 minutes, 30 minutes. You go see me in the next 20 minutes. Yeah, thank you.
Don't buy another car.
You were my queen and a baby girl. It was all a dream, now it seems like
Asa!
Oh, babe, you're back?
How are you?
Fine, welcome.
Yeah. What? What a day. Baby, what did you prepare? Babe, what did you make for the evening?
Please, I'm betting. Let me be done, okay? I'll order you something.
Order something. In my home? Order something, babe.
Babe, now, please don't distract me now. I said I'll order you something.
Are you for real? No food? Oh my God.
You don't show the way. She don't serve it. She don't make her own money.
This is not making sense.
50 years later. She still dey play KGS.
Jesus.
Photo. You just pray. Danjuma. You know what became for 50 years.
What did happen here?
She know they cook again.
Mama Maka!
Yes, Obim.
Mama Maka. No food for kitchen. Waiting you go shop. Waiting you do for here.
Obim, I did KGSB channel.
KGSB.
You never see anything.
Join KGSB Telegram channel.
Okay, my join. I know my wife started to do me this kind of thing now. You know what?
It's my house. I can knock anyhow I want.
This guy is last person.
What's going on here?
And what's this? It's about your house rent. I'm just on paying my house rent now. How can't you read it now? Are you okay? Read it fast.
Okay.
Okay, no. My rent moved from 2 million to 7 million. It has been increased now. I've increased house rent. Why? Increase why? What do you mean why? Are you okay? Is this your father's house? Is it your house? Are you mad? I can increase anytime I want now. Can't you see what's going on in this country? Can't you see the economy is so hard? I can hardly eat. Things are so hard for me too, so I need money. And if I cannot pay, you know what? You pack out. Things are hard everywhere. What? Okay, look. Okay.
you, me.
Never, please excuse me. I did now.
I did. Any problem?
They increased rent for your side?
No, my rent still 2 million.
My landlord just increased my rent from 2 million to 7 million.
Yeah! Why?
I don't know.
You cash out this period?
Yes, I cash out.
You tell anybody?
I don't tell anybody. The only thing I do is I give testimony.
It's testimony time, and our brother here, Mr. Famous, is here to share his testimony with us all. Listen and be blessed.
Oh, my testimony goes like this. On this fateful day, I had no money in my account, but I realized I had 1K in my own pay. I said, Father Lord, what should I do? I want to multiply. And I bet on Nasboi using a promo code FANBED, P on capital letter, to get 300% bonus benefit. And I won 10 million. Hallelujah. So as a Christian, I decided to come to church to give 20% instead of 10% to God as my tithes. And for my pastor here and the congregation, I've led to give you people 2 million naira for you to celebrate.
Big boy. Okay, I know why.
You
No be every testimony that they give for church. Sometimes you could just carry the tithes, you give a low key.
Wow, that's so crazy.
Not everybody go to church, people they shout amen, they with you. That's true. Wow. If your landlord starts at this kind like this, be like they watch you online. Anyways, like your landlords now, you just pay the money now.
I did now. Are you ready to pay my payment now?
Like I explained. Don't worry, we'll explain later, eh? Do it my open. Babaka, you did.
Ouch! You know they play with slapping. It's they slap. Like I don't understand why. God, so and it's the truth. Like this one right here now is not. It's more than content. This is pure story. A lot of people, when something good happens to them, they're always eager. Like they're always in a hurry to say it. But about all those things you're saying, not everybody is happy with you. You understand? Not everybody is happy with you. You get? A lot of people will come in different ways. This man came because he's the landlord. He had to increase his rent. Other people will come in different forms. Some will attack you. Some will rob you. Some will fight you spiritually. Some will do lots of things to you. So sometimes when good things come, just stay low-key. Or even if you don't want to stay low-key, just do not say the source of whatever you're having, like wherever the thing came, do not say it out. You understand? It's not just about Africa, it's not just about Nigeria. It happens all over the world. You understand? It happens all over the world. So just learn. So thanks for watching to the very end. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And please, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. Subscribe if you're yet to do that, and just share this video. You understand? So see you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.